Okay, listen. Don't judge me. Okay, just...
I'm exposing myself here, but yes, I do have a cleaner shelf aisle in my bedroom. Today I woke up on violence and I said today is the day where I make you look aesthetically pleasing.
This video of these people pretending to clean up a beach for a TikTok video went viral.
Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at the world of Cleantok on social media. I think this one's going to be a pretty interesting one in my opinion because I have found a lot of subtopics in this niche. A lot of stay-at-home moms that run cleaning accounts that really start to push the boundaries of the amount of filth in their homes, whether it really does get that messy in such a short period of time, or they end up faking it and trashing their house for views. Then this also gets into the realm of overconsumption and trying to sell you products to make money online, and then over to cleaning techniques that end up destroying people's houses if they try to replicate. We have other people mixing cleaning chemicals together, basically making mustard gas. I mean, this really does have it all. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but let's just jump right into it.
Okay, don't yell at me. I can feel you. Already in my comments, typing up your little paragraph. But what the f***? Shut up. I have dogs. I have one dog that loves to escape and eat my trash. I had to take my kid to prompt care earlier this week, and when I was gone, this happened. I was not a happy camper. But I'm also not saying this happened earlier in this week and I'm just now cleaning it up. This video also happened earlier in this week and I just haven't gone to edit and posted yet, so here you go.
Okay, so there's a couple of things that I want to talk about with this. Apparently, the dog ended up getting in the trash and absolutely wrecking the entire kitchen, so okay, that happened. I do find it odd, however, that when you found this mess, the first thought was to pull out a tripod and your phone to be able to record it, but this is the type of content that she makes, okay. Very convenient that happened. She immediately knows that this is almost bait posting because she talked about people going in the comment section right away. I also wasn't a fan of her little kid being in the video. We just went over family vloggers. I know that that took it to a whole nother level, but still we can look at some of the comments. Litter box in the kitchen is insane. Using a snow shovel to clean up the kitchen floor is pretty wild, not gonna lie. There's no excuse for this. There were over 5,000 comments like that, so when you take a look at her page and her videos, that's how she's getting a good amount of the engagement. Cleaning with Bree, over 200,000 followers, and I mean, again, apparently it was the dog that trashed this. All right, whatever, I'll give you a pass, but then we could take a look at another one of the videos.
Okay, listen. Don't judge me. Okay, just don't judge me. Honestly. So this was my room. Yeah. It's something, that is for sure.
So back-to-back videos, you have the same intro. Don't judge me, you know, I know it's bad. I know you're commenting something right now, blah, blah, blah. But this is starting to border on the line of just a filthy house. Some of the comments here, you don't want to be judged, why are you posting then? I secretly crave approval and validation. No one can make me understand how it gets that bad, I don't get it. Literally half of the problem is not taking the garbage to the garbage can. We're all judging how. There was almost 10,000 comments on this video. Again, this is supposed to be a cleaning account, and it gets this filthy. It almost seems like it's on purpose to make more videos on TikTok when she has young children living in the house at the same time. Another one that's just absolutely destroyed, cleaning my realistic kids room with me. I know that a lot of this is bait. Even throwing trash on the ground on purpose just to clean it up, again with your kid in the room, is honestly pretty disgusting to me. Say it with me, this is not a realistic kids room. Can we stop saying that it's realistic? This can't be a weekly thing. Realistic for who? I have 4 kids and I'd be damned. That's some of the excuses I've heard as well. Oh, I have 2-3 kids. They're really messy, which I don't doubt at all, especially if they're younger, but this is at a whole new level. Here you go right here. Mom of 3, cleaning my way to happiness, hopefully. This is on the line of hoarding filth. And I mean, just take a look at some of the thumbnails for these videos. It's absolutely disgusting.
I don't know how it always gets like that. And I gotta go places, people. I gotta go places.
581,000 followers on TikTok, mom of 4. Those kids deserve better. Not a single clean area around them. Not in the house, not even the car, so the house is just as bad. How embarrassing for them to have to grow up as the dirty kids because their parents are too lazy to do better for them. She's too busy posting on her 500,000 follower TikTok account. Pretty simple. It gets like this because you let it. I grew up poor, but my mom had us doing the chores every morning. Our house was clean. I've also seen that be an excuse as well. They don't make a lot of money. They're poor, so I guess that makes it okay if the house is filthy. The sad part is that you're teaching your kids not to pick up after themselves and not take care of things, and those life lessons will affect them as adults. It's very odd that this type of content is veiled under the Cleantok niche online, because if you look at a lot of the hashtags, it's all of the same Cleantok type of posts. And I mean, we have another example.
Are me and my husband crazy? We might be a little crazy because it is midnight on a random Wednesday night and we just hauled our couch out of our living room and out of our house. And was that a good idea? That remains to be seen. But honestly, my living room feels bigger and we don't have this dirty, nasty couch in our house anymore.
Hashtag stay at home mom, hashtag cleaning, hashtag cleaning TikTok, Cleantok, declutter, clean with me, decluttering. You guys get the gist. And by the creator turning off the comment section, you could probably guess what the reaction was for this video. And whether or not you think that this is all staged just for views online, there are real instances that people with children live like this.
Living like that. When you come outside, you can never tell. We saved up a freezer one night. You know, we come out, it was
Here's the progress after 3 weeks of allowing her to clean up the place. Oh, dear Lord. Wow.
And that was after almost 3 weeks worth of cleaning. That breaks my heart. No child should ever have to live like that. The vacuum's just sitting there overwhelmed looking at the carpet. There's no reason for that. Just absolutely way past the line for me. And we have another one right here, 3 days without cleaning, and it's just, again, absolutely destroyed. I know I'm just saying the same thing over and over again, but we could go right to the comments. Looks like you dumped trash for content. That was the most liked comment on this video. The description doesn't make it much better. I have roaches, hashtag deep clean, deep cleaning, cleaning reset, dirty, all of that. And all of this apparently happened within 72 hours, along with the comments saying that it looked like it was just fake for content. We could start looking at more examples of that as well.
Most of you are probably looking at this thinking it's not that dirty, which is normal because you're probably used to watching rug cleaning videos that have literally been buried in mud. That's a good chunk of the content that's made on TikTok and YouTube. It's all staged. And I'm not hating on those guys. They're just creating entertainment. I'm totally fine with it. It's just not what I do.
So I've seen the rug cleaning videos once or twice. Sometimes they're spliced in with like GTA videos. It's almost like a zoomer edit. You have to watch two things at once. I've also seen people fake restorations. It's primarily done with very old guns, maybe like World War II guns. Some YouTube channels got a crazy amount of views fixing it up, making it look nice again. So people started intentionally destroying weapons, burying them underground for a while, just destroying it to be able to clean it and make content off of the video. Again, all for views at the end of the day, and there's a perfect example right here.
This video of these people pretending to clean up a beach for a TikTok video went viral. The person filming caught these people making a fake video of them cleaning up the beach. First, they started filling up the trash bags. Then, they acted like the bag was heavy and they were struggling to drag it. Finally, they did a dance and left the bags on the beach, showing just how far people will go for virality.
So honestly, you could barely trust anything that you see on the internet now. On top of AI content getting better and better by the day, that's a whole different issue though. We could switch over to people faking their product reviews just to be able to make money off of TikTok Shop. Having to promote a vacuum that doesn't work because TikTok Shop won't let me change my products until I'm fully approved, and I need to pay for my dad's immigration lawyer. Okay, don't buy this. It stopped charging after 6 months. You take a look at the video, it's still got the link in the description. Some of the comments, mine still charges a year later. It's just the worst vacuum ever. Mine stopped charging the third time I used it, and so many people commented saying that they like this video, you deserve so much money for this honest review. But my thought is, what about all of the other people promoting it, making it look like it's the best thing ever? This person's just mad that they can't get a replacement from TikTok Shop, so she's saying it's terrible. But what about all of the other accounts that their entire channel, their content is based around selling you these terrible terrible products. Of course, they're still going to say, oh man, this is the best thing ever. It's 50% off as well. Use my link in the description to go check it out. Completely ignoring the fact that these are basically Temu level products. Now we could get into some of the very, very large TikTok accounts that revolve around a lot of cleaning. This one right here mixes a lot of the ASMR with cleaning. So I lasted a couple seconds there. I've told you guys before, I am not a fan of the ASMR stuff, but I mean, if you enjoy it, go right ahead. I don't really care. And on the surface, it's just somebody recording themselves cleaning, which I don't think is that bad. This person has almost 13 million followers on TikTok for this. But then you could start taking a look at the rest of her page, the Amazon store and links right below. A lot of the aesthetic, almost overconsumption type of thumbnails. And then you look a little bit more into her channel and you find a lot of this kind of stuff. So if you've seen the overconsumption videos on my main channel, she's another one of the restocking pages, just showing product after product. I mean, the Bloom supplements there is another big one that a lot of the TikTok influencers like to shill all the time. And then we could take a look at the description, a few random home things I love that are on sale for Prime Day, huh? Hashtag Bloom partner, there you go. ASMR, restock, Prime Day, some of my favorites, Cleantok, and organized home. And I don't think I really have to tell you, but if you clicked on the description, you have the My Amazon storefront, a bunch of vacuums and cleaning products. I mean, we have another example right here with the restock / overconsumption when it comes to cleaning.
I'm exposing myself here, but yes, I do have a cleaner shelf aisle in my bedroom. Today I woke up on violence and I said today's the day where I make you look aesthetically pleasing. I'm not joking when I say this, but I am slowly becoming an American citizen. Thanks to Nick's side of Cleantok, I'm obsessed with her organization skills. Couldn't be me without a Celsius drink because it's 6 AM and I don't know where I've got this energy from. I got all my containers from B&M. When I tell you they're affordable and great quality, they truly are.
Okay, so we just have to punch out of that. I love that in the middle of this video, she had to plug the Celsius drink, another one of the huge partners for these influencers. And I know my type of videos have a bunch of jump cuts in it, but this is at a whole new level. I don't know if there's a specific name to this type of editing, but a lot of influencers will speak so unbelievably quickly that they literally fade in and fade out their own audio before they even finish the last sentence. My guess is that maybe the viewers on TikTok have such a short attention span that these videos have to be incredibly quick, or they'll just swipe to the next video and yours doesn't do as well. But this page has another 150,000 followers. Overall, I don't think it's that bad of an issue if you're just recording yourself cleaning, but some of the overconsumption stuff could take it too far. But we're going to finish off with a little bit of drama on Cleantok. The clip up on screen right now is Mexican Cleantok that shows somebody dumping a whole bunch of cleaning products on the floor. And I mean, it's pretty straightforward. However, these houses that are being cleaned are in Mexico that is primarily made with concrete flooring, so you're able to clean it in this way. But whether people are doing it to get the engagement or they just have no knowledge, there's a lot of people in the US doing the exact same thing when most of our houses have wood flooring. So POV, I'm on Mexican Cleantok and they're just doing the exact same thing too. It almost looks like that faux wood that you see in a lot of new construction builds. This is Mexican cleaning for concrete homes, not wood, with 220,000 likes just on that post. Please do not do this on anything other than concrete. It will ruin your floors. As a Mexican, I could tell you that type of cleaning is not for your type of floor. And then right after that, we see the result. Do not clean your floors the Mexican Cleantok way unless you live in Mexico. And you could see all of the mold on the side of the room. Honestly, does not look good at all. But we're going to finish off with another one that I'll just breeze over really quick because it is a little gross. It's more people filming themselves cleaning their own toilets, and a lot of people have ended up mixing cleaning products in the toilet and basically making mustard gas. So a reminder to not mix Clorox and Lysol. Toxic gas instantly. Just FYI, I didn't purposely mix these chemicals to create the gas. I was making an ASMR video and stopped recording to flush this immediately. People don't take it seriously, but it is very serious. My friend was hospitalized because of it and her lungs were burnt. And I mean, I guess it goes along with people not taking it as seriously. A lot of memes like this, me after mixing a bunch of random chemicals to clean the bathroom with the door closed, and it just shows a guy passed out on the floor. So a lot of different topics we went over today in in the Cleantok niche. Had no idea that most of it even existed, but that's all I got for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. YouTube thinks you'll like this video popping up on screen right now, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll talk to you guys later.